Good morning from the National Weather Service here in Pocatello. My name is Carter, and this is your Southeast Idaho weather hazard briefing for Wednesday, March 26th. Well above normal temperatures are expected to continue for today, but changes are on the way starting late tonight into tomorrow as a mix of showers and thunderstorms move in. I'll be breaking that down for you this morning. Key points we're going to focus on today. If you enjoyed yesterday, we got plenty of the same out there for you today. Warmest temperatures so far this year expected this afternoon. What that means for us, near record to record warmth and some minor snowmelt concerns across our lowest elevations. But looking ahead, our next system will be moving in late tonight into tomorrow. What that means is kicking off an extended stretch of some daily shower and thunderstorm chances, with a cold front moving through late Thursday, helping to cool temperatures down as we start a cooler and unsettled pattern to finish out the week. And taking a quick look at satellite imagery for you this morning, high pressure ridge axis is going to be shifting over us today, so that'll be bringing the warmest temperatures so far this year. Very quiet weather out there and plenty of sunshine for you. And a look at the bigger picture for you guys. So it doesn't take too farther west to look as you head into the Northeast Pacific. Strengthening low pressure system off the coast will be ejecting some moisture into the Pacific Northwest later today. That's where there's a marginal to slight risk of severe thunderstorms out towards Portland and Seattle. But further inland into the Idaho area, eastern Idaho, only expecting a mix of showers and storms up around the central mountains with some of this moisture. Those chances do expand in coverage for Thursday as a cold front works through the area. And here's a look at your weather risk outlook for the next 5 days. Overall today, just some later in the day showers and thunderstorms potential. Those do expand region-wide for your Thursday. Continuing for Friday as we cool off heading into the weekend. Mix of rain, snow showers possible across the area. And taking a look at our current snowpack out there. So overall, still seeing snowmelt concerns over the next couple of days with very warm temperatures, both in the morning and afternoon hours. So kind of there on the right graphic, it's going to be where we're expecting the most snowmelt over the coming days. Graphic on the left, where our current snowpack stands. And still seeing some area rises on the rivers. And this is the Portneuf River, still climbing slowly but surely over the next couple of days, flirting with action stage potentially. And the Silver Creek near Peekaboo, that did reach just about action stage, passing that just by about a couple inches earlier today. And temperatures out there for you this afternoon. We are expecting record-breaking temperatures across much of our area, as temperatures are well into the 60s, 70s, even low 80s this afternoon around the Magic and Treasure Valleys. And here's a look at where you can expect best chances for showers and thunderstorms through tonight. Again, best chances up towards the central mountains and a little bit more of a marginal risk for severe storms as you head further west of Custer and Lemhi counties. Winds today staying fairly light out there, gusts less than about 30 miles an hour, breeziest around the Magic Valley. And for your Thursday, a little bit cooler in the afternoon, courtesy of some cloud cover building in, but certainly a mild morning. Afternoon highs in the 50s, 60s, and 70s. And those thunderstorm chances do expand to most of our area heading into that Thursday time frame. So I wanted to show you a quick look at timing over the next couple of days. Just give me 1 second to pull that up here. Awesome. So here we are heading into today, not expecting much action until we get into this afternoon and evening. Again, by this evening, starting to see some activity building into the central mountains, but some isolated activity building in overnight into tomorrow morning. But the main show really won't kick off until that cold front begins to work through. During the afternoon hours, that's where we're expecting some lines of thunderstorms to develop, particularly across the Snake River Plain, eastern highlands, and then up into the central mountains as well. As that cold front tracks east, some gusty winds, small hail possible with some of those more organized storms. But much of this activity will shift southeast out of here for Friday evening into Thursday night into Friday morning. Overall, just tracking those best potential for afternoon coverage peaking every day. And wind gusts on your Thursday, again, just staying slightly breezy as we get that cold front coming through. Gusts about 30 to 40 miles an hour. And for your Friday, cooler in the morning, 30s and 40s, but afternoon highs actually returning to near normal levels in the 40s and 50s. And day 3 outlook, again, just highlights the bulk of our area and that general risk for thunderstorms. Keep it with that unsettled pattern as we head into the weekend. And wind staying slightly breezy there on Friday, gusts about 25 to 35 miles an hour. And for Saturday, we'll keep that near normal trend continuing as we kick off the weekend. Teens, 20s, and 30s to start things off. Afternoon highs in the 40s and 50s. And for Saturday, keep it with that generally breezy pattern. Wind gusts staying about 25 to 35 miles an hour. And for your Sunday temperatures, again, starting to slowly warm up as we head into the finish out the weekend, but still looking at highs in the afternoon in those 40s, 50s, maybe some low 60s as you get further west. And as you head into Sunday, those wind gusts are going to be again slightly breezy, but only staying less than about 30 miles an hour. And a look at what's to come as we end the month of March and head into early April. We're right on the cusp of that near normal to slightly above normal chances for temperatures, so staying generally in that near normal range here in eastern Idaho. But what the bigger change is going to be is that more active and unsettled pattern as we finish out the month of March and head into early April. And temperatures in the 8 to 14, kicking off those April 2nd through 8th time frame. Temperatures certainly trending more near normal to below normal across the Pacific Northwest, under that increasing influence of some active weather from the Pacific. And little change there in the 8 to 14 precip outlook, again keeping with that active weather trend up in our region through at least April 8th. And that's about all I have for you this morning. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to send us an email, give us a call, or check out some information on our website. Have an awesome Wednesday.